Good evening everyone, myself Arpita Mali Patil. Today I am going to do seminar on differences between solid, liquid and gases. Before that we learn what is solid, liquid and gases. Solid. Solid, it is the state of matter where the particles are tightly packed. It is the state of matter. It is the state of matter where the particles are tightly packed each other. See, it is the example for solid. It does not have space between them. Solid, it is the state of matter where the particles are tightly packed each other. Then liquid. It is the state of matter where the particles are loosely packed each other. They have space between them, so it have space between them, so it is example for liquid. And next, gases. It is the state of matter where the particles are freely moving. In this box, the particles are freely moving. Next, differences between solid, liquid and gases. Differences between solid, liquid and gases. Solid, liquid, gases. Solid, it is rigid in comparison to liquid and gases. Liquid, it is not rigid. And gases, it is also not rigid. Solid, it have definite shape and mass, shape and volume. Liquid, it does not have definite shape but it has definite volume. Gases, it not have any definite shape and volume. Next, Solid, it can't flow easily. Liquid, it is known as flowing property. Gas, it flows and evaporates easily. Diffusion rate is very low in solid. In liquid, diffusion rate is moderate. Diffusion rate is low. Diffusion rate is very high. Once again I will read this. Solid, it is rigid in comparison to liquid and gases. In liquid it is not rigid and gases are also not rigid. In solid it have definite shape and volume, but in liquid it does not have definite shape because liquid has not a shape. If you put a liquid in a mug, it will take the shape of the container. If you put it in the plate, it will take the shape of the container of plate. And in gases it not have any shape and volume. For the gas not have any shape and not have any volume. In solid it have it can't flow easily. Solid can flow? No, solid can't flow. And liquid, it is known by flowing property because water can flow na. Gases, it flows and evaporates easily. In solid, diffusion rate is very low, and in liquid diffusion rate is moderate, and in gases diffusion rate is very high. Thank you.